Now, there's a furor on social media about this tax. People are calling it the return of tax terrorism. People are wondering, what are you going to get out of TCS, that's tax credited at source? Because remember, it's going to get adjusted against what you owe at the end of the year, and if you've paid excess tax, then you can get a refund as well. So why put people through that process? Why are you putting international credit card spends possibly on overseas travel for business or pleasure in this category? I want to start with Deepak Shenoy. Deepak, why all the consternation?
I think, Tamanna, it's just there is two layers to it. I think, first of all, a lot of people who are affected are probably affected in terms of their cash flow, but they're relatively a small part of the population. We're talking about less than 1% or 1% of India. So let me be clear: this is not like something that affects everybody in India, but a very small percentage. But it does mean that, for instance, if you have saved all your life and then retire and you have a much lower income now than you used to when you were working, and you decide to take a foreign trip, now you suddenly have to pay 20% extra to the income tax department and then try to claim it back 1 year later. This is against the principles of pretty much everything. The advance tax is not applicable to senior citizens, but TCS will be. Therefore is, that is one example. There are lots of others. There was not enough of a clarification on whether credit cards would come under LRS. The newest notification or the clarification from the income tax department seems to say that, listen, if you use your credit card while you were in India to make a dollar payment, it should have always been under LRS. And